Setting up your own Discord server is simpler than you think. All you need is a free Discord account and the app. Start by opening the Discord app on your desktop or mobile device and logging into your account. On the left-hand side, click the plus symbol to add a new server. Choose Create a Server and decide whether it's for friends or an official community. You can even skip this step if you're unsure. Name your server and click Create. You can also upload an icon to give it a personal touch. Your server is now live. Invite your friends and start building your community. Want to customize your server? Right-click the server icon to access settings like Invite People and Server Settings. Create text and voice channels for different themes by clicking the plus symbol next to Text Channels and Voice Channels. With up to 500 channels and 25 participants per channel, a Discord server is perfect for organizing large meetings and events. Ready to build your community?